your doctor has insurance. And now your question is, will you be able to take that information and let the jury know this fact when you file your Maryland medical malpractice case? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about some really important information. And this information deals with insurance and medical malpractice cases. Okay, so let's set it up. This is how it can normally happen. During the process, during what we call discovery, you find out that your doctor has insurance. And now your question is should you be able to tell the jury that your doctor has insurance and that if they do find a verdict against the doctor, that the doctor's not paying it? It's going to be the insurance that's going to pay it. Should you be able to do that? Or can you do that here in the state of Maryland? Well, the short answer is no. You are not going to be able to tell the jury that the doctor has insurance. And when I step back and kind of break it down, hopefully you'll be able to understand why we're saying this or why the law looks at it this way. Well, under Maryland law, to be able to prove a medical malpractice case, you have to show that your treating doctor fell below the standard of care owed to you, and by deviating from that standard of care, this is what caused your injury or your damages or the harm done to you. And to be able to do that, we use medical experts. And these medical experts will review the case. They will look at the facts. They will look at the records. They will look at the injury. They will look at all of these things. And they will come to a conclusion as to whether there was a deviation from that standard of care and whether that deviation is what caused the damages, the harm, the injury. When you think about it, what relevance is it when we're talking about the doctor's insurance? What relevance is it to that analysis? What relevance is it for the fact finder to know that there is insurance when they are looking at all of these other issues? So that's why the short answer is that in Maryland in general, you will not be able to tell the jury or the fact finder that the doctor has insurance if they find against the doctor. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm helping you understand the medical malpractice process here in the state of Maryland. I'm giving you insight into this process. More than likely, if you're watching this video right now, you have been injured at the hands of a doctor or a hospital, or maybe your baby has suffered an injury at birth and you've got questions, things like this, they are on your mind. You're trying to figure out, well, how am I going to meet these challenges going into the future, or how my baby is going to meet these challenges? If you have these types of things going on, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next step costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that step? You go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I could be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, practicing law in the state of Maryland, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.